So we're going to talk about a couple of step, stoop type solutions that we've done here. And this first one, you know, the step that's there, it's awkward, it's not high enough, it just doesn't go with the house. And I like the solution you did for this.
Yeah, the step that they lived with for a few seasons was never meant to be a permanent step. It was just kind of a concrete block there, and it was very steep. We usually try with steps to maintain about a 6-inch height there. And so we were able to create a stoop out of landscape boulders. And they've got some nice big size to them. They're about that 6-inch consistency, and it made it much wider and easier to get up onto the porch.
Yeah, real nice look.
And then we matched that with a flagstone walkway, and the irregular flagstone there, the colors in that go with the boulders, and all that was able to match almost perfectly with the cultured stone that was on the front of the foundation.
Right, and those broken flagstone walks you've been doing with the poly sand in between are really low maintenance and quite nice. So the next one we're talking about, it's actually a log cabin. How rustic can you get? And this step that's going up to it just doesn't work, doesn't match at all.
No, that was very steep. It was narrow. It was becoming a maintenance issue, having to stain and paint that all the time. So we actually used a type of step block that is a concrete product, but it's made to look like natural stone. And it's got that chiseled kind of front to it, so it looks like the natural stone. And that made that walkway much wider. It brought it out quite a bit farther, so you weren't going up so fast.
And a little better scale to the whole building too.
And the colors in that coordinated with another flagstone walkway.
Yeah, again, that broken flagstone walk fits the rustic theme really well.
Yeah, so the concrete product had a couple of different colors blended into it, and that really looked well, you know, with the flagstone for the walkway there, and created a formal but still rustic entrance for that cabin.
Yeah, and other than the weight of these blocks, they're fairly easy to put together.
Yeah, yeah. And it's simple and it's clean, and it just gives a nice sense of entry. So thank you for joining us today as we discuss different types of stoops and entryways for your landscaping. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.